Short biography of Charlie Chaplin. Sir Charles Spencer Chaplin, 1889 to 1977, was an English comic actor, filmmaker, and composer, best known for creating the iconic character, the Tramp. Early life. He was born on 16 April 1889 in London to music hall performers. His childhood was marked by poverty and hardship. His father was absent, and his mother struggled with mental illness. Chaplin spent time in workhorses before entering the stage as a child performer. Career beginnings. By his teens, Chaplin joined the Fred Caro Company, a troupe that took him to the United States in 1910. His talent for comedy and mime quickly stood out. Rise to fame. In 1914, he made his film debut with Keystone Studios. Soon after, he developed the Tramp with his bowler hat, cane, and mustache, a character that became a worldwide symbol of comedy and resilience. Film achievements. Chaplin became one of the first true film stars and later a pioneering filmmaker. He wrote, directed, produced, and scored many classics, including The Kid, 1921, The Gold Rush, 1925, City Lights, 1931, and Modern Times, 1936. In 1940, he made the political satire, The Great Dictator, boldly mocking Adolf Hitler. Challenges. In the 1940s and 1950s, Chaplin faced political controversies in the US for his left-leaning views and personal scandals. In 1952, he left America and settled in Switzerland. Later years, he continued making films, including Limelight, 1952, and A King in New York, 1957. In 1972, he returned briefly to the US to receive an honorary Academy Award. Death. Chaplin died on 25 December 1977 in Vevey, Switzerland, at the age of 88. Legacy. Charlie Chaplin is remembered as one of the greatest figures in cinema history. His ability to combine comedy with social commentary made his work timeless and influential across generations. Interesting facts and events from Charlie Chaplin's life. Entered stage at age 5 by accident. When Charlie was just 5, his mother lost her voice while singing on stage. Little Charlie stepped forward and sang in her place. The audience loved him, and that was his first performance. The Great Dictator speech. In his film The Great Dictator, 1940, Chaplin gave a moving speech about peace, freedom, and humanity. People often forget, it was his first true speaking role after years of silent films. Controversy in America. Chaplin faced accusations of having communist leanings during the Cold War. In 1952, when he left the US to attend a film premiere in London, America refused to let him return. He settled in Switzerland instead. The longest standing ovation. In 1972, Chaplin was invited back to Hollywood to receive an honorary Oscar. The audience gave him a 12-minute standing ovation, the longest in Academy Award history.